Hello friends, today I will explain you about the phenomena of scattering of light. Scattering of light, okay? When a beam of light is incident on a particle, it will reflect in all the directions. And this beam of light is now visible to us. Okay, this process is known as scattering of light. Okay, I have two solutions. One is true solution and other is colloidal solution. I take water with sugar and here I take water with milk. Now, in true solution, the difference between true solution and colloidal solution is the size of the particle. The size of the particle in the true solution is very less. It is less than 1 nanometer, and the size of the particle is between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. It means the size of the particle in the colloidal solution is more. Now, if we pass a beam of light from this side, you will not get any visible path inside the solution because the particle size is very small. Okay, but in colloidal solution, if we pass a beam of light from this side, you will get a visible light inside the solution, and this is due to the scattering of light. And this white light is scattered. Now this path is visible to us. Okay, so this process is known as scattering of light. Now I will explain you about this process practically. Now I have two solutions. One is sugar solution and this is milk solution. Now when I put a beam of light from this side in a true solution, you will not get any path. You will not get any visible path inside the true solution because the particle size is very small. Now, if I take a milk solution and I put a beam of light from this side, you will get a visible light inside the solution, and this is due to scattering of light. This phenomenon is known as scattering of light, and this is explained by the scientist Tyndall. This is also known as Tyndall effect. You will get visible path inside the solution. Thank you.